Hello Gunpla fans, this is tutorial and this is the unboxing of the RX78 GP03 Dendrobium. Well, let's start by looking at the box. As you can tell, here's the main model, HG mechanics, because it is in a completely different scale than the other ones. This is not the 144, this is the 1/500th scale. So here's the front, here's some stats, and it has some ridiculous, like total length 140 meters, and that's most likely just because of the cannon, which that was its length. And there's a lot of weapon stats, and it shows it opening the things. You see the RX78 Gundam. You see some like scans from like looks like a computer screen or something. Here's the Bandai over here. Well, let's look at the side. So this is the side. Here is a very detailed view of the Dendrobium once it's painted and panel lined. Front view, rear view. Here are the same stats as above, and the name with a good, nice little outline. And here is the other side, with the open compartments, the stand, the I-fuel generator, the claws, and the beam saber, and a shot from under. Here is the GP03 Gundam, and it's folded up because it is soon to go into the Dendrobium, I guess. And then here is the AGX04, which is the new mobile suit that the trader was given at Luna. So I just put this over here, hopefully it'll stay. Now let's look at the parts inside. Here are the weapon compartments, an open end at the other side, but that is for there are some back panels that you put on, so that should be safe. No big gaping holes. These are this part right here. So let's put that aside. Here are the claws, you know, down here where it carries the sabers. And yeah, not much there. Here is some more parts that I think this is where the booster goes. Some more white, some panels, some framework, and here is the amazing part. Here, I don't know if you can see it too well because it's of course white on white, but here is the mobile suit, the actual mobile suit. Here are the legs, that's small. The side boosters. I'm gonna turn it so you can see it, but let's see. There is the body, the back, and here is the AGX. But yeah, that is very small compared to all the other ones. Finally changing the color scheme. No, some gray. That's where all these boosters are. Some what looks like joints over here. Part of the stand, and here is the I-fuel generator, open and closed. Oh, sorry, open and closed. Some panels for the weapon compartments, and the actual I-fuel generator. So you can change the face of the I-fuel generator. And this is scary because this is the cannon. I hope I can put it all in one shot. I can, but it's barely there. That's a lot of the framework. Kind of gives you a good perspective on the whole thing. And the instruction manual. Again, a very detailed view of the cannon. You can see a lot of stuff here. In the back, you get lots of detail. The bottom, what it looks like with the stand and open compartments, the back, and the beam saber. And let's do this. Here is the part of the inside of the instruction manual. Shows you like the action poses, the open claws, the stand, the color guide, a more anime feel, the mobile suits. And let's put this back. Open this, and that's gonna fall. Here are all the parts and labelings. Basic look at the instructions. It fits on 2 pages, but it is some pretty big 2 pages. And one thing I noticed was that the beam saber is not clear. It is white, and it is attached to the... Actually, no, it's not. But it is white, so it's going to require painting. And the actual mobile suits are... You have to glue them together. They are not slot. You have to put them together. So thank you for watching, and see you at the next review or unbox. Okay, let's open it up. What the? Oh, let's open it up.